Hello. Welcome to Tell Science. Let's dive into multimedia, a world of combined experiences. What is multimedia? Multimedia is the media that uses multiple forms of information content and information processing to inform or entertain the user. Multimedia also refers to the use of electronic media to store and experience multimedia content. Simply, multimedia is the integration of two or more media types, including text, images, audio, sounds, music, video, and animation. Imagine a presentation that isn't just a wall of text. Multimedia breathes life into information by combining various media types. Text provides the foundation, images and animations add visual interest, audio creates emotional impact, and video brings ideas to life. When these elements are skillfully combined and allow for user interaction, we enter the world of multimedia. The different types of media used in multimedia can be combined in a variety of ways to create different effects. For example, text can be combined with images to create a more visually appealing presentation. Audio can be used to add narration or music to a video. And video can be used to create an interactive experience for the user. The main elements of multimedia. There are 5 basic elements of multimedia: text, images, audio, video, and animation. Text, the foundation of multimedia, conveying information clearly and concisely, images, photographs, illustrations, and diagrams that visually represent concepts. Audio, sounds, music, and narration that add emotional depth and engagement. Video, moving images with sound, creating a dynamic and immersive experience. Animation, computer-generated graphics that bring static images to life. Categories of multimedia. Multimedia may be broadly divided into linear and nonlinear. Linear multimedia. Linear active content progresses without any navigation control for the viewer, such as a cinema presentation. Nonlinear multimedia. Nonlinear content offers user interactivity to control progress, as used with a computer game or used in self-paced computer-based training. Nonlinear content is also known as hypermedia content. Examples of multimedia. Multimedia is all around us. We encounter it every day in the form of websites, presentations, video games, educational apps, social media, and e-learning courses. Applications of multimedia: education, entertainment, business, healthcare. Education. In the educational realm, multimedia fosters interactive learning, making it a valuable tool for educators and students alike, like interactive learning modules, educational games, and online courses. Entertainment. Entertainment flourishes with multimedia, bringing movies, video games, music streaming, and social media to life. Business. Businesses leverage multimedia for presentations, training materials, and marketing campaigns, creating a more impactful experience. Healthcare. The medical field utilizes multimedia for surgical simulations, patient education materials, remote consultations, and telemedicine applications. Stages of multimedia application development. The 4 basic stages of multimedia project development are planning and costing, designing and producing, testing, and delivering. Advantages of multimedia: enhanced learning and retention, increased engagement, improved communication, and global appeal. Enhanced learning and retention. Multimedia presentations combine text, audio, visuals, and even interactivity to create a more engaging learning experience. This can help people retain information more effectively than traditional methods like lectures or textbooks. Increased engagement. Multimedia presentations are more captivating than plain text documents. Visuals, animations, and audio keep the audience's attention and make them more likely to absorb the information being presented. Improved communication. Multimedia can help explain complex ideas more clearly. By using a variety of media elements, presenters can break down information into smaller, more digestible chunks. Global appeal. Multimedia presentations can transcend language barriers. Visuals and sounds can be understood by people from different cultures, making them a powerful tool for communication across borders. Disadvantages of multimedia: technical difficulties, information overload, cost and time investment, and accessibility issues. Technical difficulties: technical glitches can disrupt a multimedia presentation. Projectors might malfunction, computers might freeze, and internet connections might be unstable. These issues can derail the flow of the presentation and frustrate the audience. Information overload: multimedia presentations can overwhelm the audience with too much information at once. A barrage of text, images, animations, and audio can be overwhelming and make it difficult for the audience to focus on the key points. Cost and time investment: creating high-quality multimedia presentations can be time-consuming and expensive. Finding or creating appropriate visuals, animations, and audio can take significant effort. Accessibility issues: not everyone has access to the technology required to view multimedia presentations. People with disabilities, or those in areas with limited internet access, might be excluded from the experience. The future of multimedia: advancements in technology will lead to more immersive experiences. Virtual reality and augmented reality will blur the lines between the digital and physical worlds. Artificial intelligence will personalize multimedia content and interactions. Increased accessibility: advancements will make multimedia creation and consumption more accessible to everyone. Let's summarize: multimedia has transformed the way we communicate, learn, and entertain ourselves. It offers a powerful and versatile tool for various purposes. By understanding both the advantages and disadvantages of multimedia, you can make informed decisions about when and how to use it most effectively. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Tell Science.